I am doing the shadowing technique from this audio book, John C. Maxwell, How Successful People Think. Identify your priorities first. Take into account the priority for yourself, your family, and your team. Offer consultant and award-winning thinking full equipped. There's no confusion for the tired thinking. Unfortunately, many people land priorities whether they are in team. You certainly don't want to do that, nor you want to others to set an agenda. There are many ways to do it. You might also focus on highest in the world. Do you enjoy the most and the best? You could use the 80-20 rule. Give 80% of your effort to top 20% most important activities. Another way is to focus on exceptional opportunities for promising huge returns. It comes down to this. Discover your gifts. Not people suffer having good hands and the skill, gifts and intelligence. There are little likely comics. One day after striking out a peaceful game, it's rats. I've never been a big league player. I just don't have it. All my life I've trained big leaves, but I have never make it. To its using a prize, Charlie Brown, you are thinking too far ahead. What you need to do is to settle a medium post. For a moment, Charlie Brown is a great hope. Immediately goals, he sets, yes, answers using. Start with the next inning. When you go out of this, see if you can walk out of the man without falling down. I met many individuals who household for using. They have received little affirmations and as a result seen a loss between action. If you have that kind of back mind, you need to work extra hard. Take a personality profile such as this for Myers-Briggs. Interview positive friends and family members to see whether they are shy. Spend some time with them. If you are going to focus on your thinking on your strength, you need to know what they are. Develop your dreams. If you want to achieve those things, you need to have a great dream. If you're not sure of your dream, use your focus thinking time how to discover it. If your thinking has been turned to a particular area time after time, maybe you have to discover your dream well, give it more focused time and see what happens. Once you find your dream, move forward with this certain guessing. Take the advice of certain page. Don't look back. Something might be gaining. The younger you are, the more likely you are give your attention to many things. That's good. Because if you are young, you're still getting to know yourself, but trying to certain weaknesses. If you focus on your thinking out one thing, your aspirations schemes, your voice did not go wise. As you get older and experience, you need to focus more critical. The farther and higher, more focused you can be and need to be. How can you stay focused? Once you have the hand in this, think about it. You must decide how to better focus on it. Give a 5-session process. 1. Remove distractions. Removing distractions is no small error in the focus, but it's critical. How do you do it? First, by maintaining the discipline and practicing in your priorities. Don't you ease things first, hard thing first, and urgent thing first. Do first things first. The activities that give you the highest should be done first. Never wait. Don't keep the distractions to minimum. Second, insulate yourself. That suffers. I found that most of the times, these options I mastered of making unavailable for necessary, unnecessary, and going after my thinking place so that I can work. Because of my responsibilities, I found of 3 companies. I am always aware of the tensions between my need and my accessibility to others. My need to withdraw often, think. The best way to resolve the tension is to understand the value of perfect activity. Walking slowly on the track allows me to connect people and know their needs. Withdrawing fast allows me to think the ways to minds. Might I advise you, please value and give it attention to focus. If you naturally withdraw and make sure that you get out of the people mind, if you're always on the bill, proper thinking time, then you move here or so that focus thinking. And wherever you are, be there. 2. Make time for focused thinking. Once you have the place to think, you need time to think. Because of the fast pace of work and coaching, people tend to multitask. That was always not a good idea. Switching from task to task, to cost, 40% efficiency. According to recent study, if you try to accomplish many things at the same time, you get more done by focusing on one task at a time, not by switching constantly from one task to other. Years ago, I realized that my best thinking time in the morning. Whenever possible, I reserve my morning time for thinking and writing. One way to give in time focused thinking is to impose upon on yourself one company augmented. Don't allow yourself to email until 10 a.m. Instead, focus your energy on number of priorities. Non-productive time is to so that you can create thinking time for yourself. 3. Keep items of focus before you. Wherever all the things, great transient believe. Concentration is the secret of strength in politics, involved in trade, insured, and all humanity affairs. To help me concentrate on the things that never, I want to keep my important time before me. One way is to ask my assistant to keep bringing it up, asking me about it, give me additional information about it. I also keep fire on page on my desk so that I can see it every day on work. That strategy has successfully helped me in 30 years to stimulating surprising ideas. If you never done it, I recommend that you try. I will tell you more about it in the section. This is what I wanted to say in this small message. This is the 4th message. Set goals. I believe goals are important. The mind will not focus until at clear objectives. But the purpose of goals is to focus on your attention and give you direction, not to identify final destination. As you think about the goals, know that they should be clear enough to be kept in focus, close enough to be achieved, help for another changed life. Those guidelines will take you, and be sure to write down your goals. If they are not written, I can well guarantee that not focused enough. And if you really want to make sure that you are focused, take the advice of Devil Velasquez. If you can write down your ideas and back out my business cards, you don't have a clear idea. Even if you look back from years now, your goals will be too small. They will certainly serve the purpose if they provide you with the direction. 5. Question your progress. Take a good look at this time to time to see whether you are actually making progress. That is the most accurate measure of your best use of focused thinking. Ask yourself, Am I seeing a return on my investment on focused thinking time? Is what I am doing in getting me closer to my goals? Am I headed in the direction that helps me focus in my goals, maintain my priorities, and realize my dreams? What are you giving there to go up? No one can go to the highest main agenda. My dad used to say, find the one thing you do well and don't you do others. I found that to do well few things, I had to give up many things. As I worked on this chapter, I spent some time in reflecting on my things given up. Here are the main ones. I can't know everyone. I love people and that are upgoing. For me and every people and I feel energized. So it goes against my dream to restrict myself from spending time from the people. To compensate for that, I done a couple of things. First, I have chosen a strong inner people and not only provide hands for professional help, but they also make my journey much more easy. Second, I ask certain friends to catch me on what's happening and why other friends. I usually do that one-on-one when I'm traveling on time, focused thinking. I can do everything. There are only a few exceptional opportunities in life for processing lifetime. That's why I start excellent in few things rather than a good performance in many. That's cost me. Because of my workload, I also have to skip to many things that I love to do. For example, every week I hand over projects that I think will be funded on myself. I practice the 10-80-10 principle. Delegating the task, I help with the first 10% by casting vision, laying down priority, providing resources, and giving in character. Then once they are done in middle ways, I come along with side them again and help them take wherever it takes if I can. I call it pretty maturity time. I can't grow everywhere. I can't go everywhere. Every kind of speaker has to travel a lot. Before I began to speak much speaking, that's grammar. But after logging several New Year's miles, I know what I cannot take. I ran accordingly. I still love traveling before. It's one of our great joys. She and I can take 10 vacations in a year and enjoy everyone. Yes, we can, because so much of time is consumed during my calling to help people to grow personally and to do develop their needs. I can prevent people around me. Being focused also keeps me being well around it. I tell people 99% of everything in life I complete to know about it. I try to focus on 1% that gives me the highest returns, and of the remaining 99, Margaret keep me what I need to know. It's one of the ways I keep getting to a balance in my life. Being willing to give up some of the things you love in order to focus on what will make an impact isn't easy to do it. But the earlier you embrace it, the sooner you can dedicate yourself to accessing what matters the most. Thinking question. Am I dedicated to improving the things and distractions so that I can concentrate on things, real issues? Chapter 3. I'll stop here at this point. This was the shadowing technique from that audio book. I am G.S. Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiter. Signing off for now. Thank you. Bye.